to go for it is, do you know any Power BI products? Do you know any Power BI products? So if I say Power BI products means the best source of information is going to Power BI website itself. If you go to the Power BI website, this is the official website of the PowerBI.com. Oh, sorry. It is going to again app. Let me take the private window, then PowerBI.com. So we have here PowerBI.com, PowerBI.microsoft.com. This is the official website from where you can get most of the information. If you see your products, this is what the list of products what we have. Like Power BI Desktop is one product, and these two things together is called as Power BI Service. Based on types of license what you purchased, it's a one product. And Power BI Mobile, Embedded, Report Server, these are the types of products what we have it. So do you know any Power BI products means one of the product is Power BI Desktop. That's what we have to spend most of our time we are going to spend on this component. Second is called as Power BI Service. This is the second most important component where we are going to spend our time. And Power BI Desktop internally divided into three components. You are aware of that one. One is Power Query Editor, Power Pivot, and Power View. We are going to do it. In Power Query Editor, what activities are going to do? Transformations. In Power Pivot, what activities are going to do? Modeling and DAX formulas, DAX calculations. In Power View, what are going to do? Visualizations, we are going to do it. Visualizations, we are going to do it. These three components, even we organized in the architecture diagram, we know each component, what it is doing, we are aware of it. Now, other products are Power BI Mobile, Power BI Embedded, Power BI Report Server, we have it. Now, let us go and try to install Power BI Desktop, we try to install it. We are trying to focus on installation. Let's see here, install Power BI Desktop. You can go for here, download software here. If you right click on this one, click on this open link in new tab, we're going to get one new tab, we're getting it. This is the new tab, what we got it. If you see in the new tab, we got is Power BI, transform data into actionable insights with dashboards and reports. Below this one, Microsoft Power BI Desktop, the language is English, you need to click on this download. The moment you click on download, it starts downloading. Everyone click on this download option by open this material. I think everyone have this material with you. Open this material, right click on this one, open this link. You are going to get this kind of download option. Click on download. Now, if you see the details here, it is going to tell you when it is published, 1/21/2022. That means very recent product it is. Very recent product it is. We are in the last working day of January, that is 31st, we are there. So that means 10 days before they publish this product. And the version of this product is 2.100 something. Now, there are two variants are available, 64-bit as well as 32-bit variants are available. We are going to install always 64-bit variant only, we are going to install it. Because mostly our all operating systems are available 64-bit operating systems. What you are going to do with the software is mainly these are the activities. We are going to get the data from any database and we'll try to create a relationships and we create the models, we create the calculations. There is nothing but measures, we are going to create it. Once we complete that one, finally we are going to create the reports, we are going to create it. Once we create the reports, we are going to save our report into our local machine. Once we save our report into local machine, then we are going to publish our report into Power BI service, we are going to publish it. So very high level, using this Power BI desktop, we are going to do, these are the activities we are going to do it. We can get the data from databases. We are going to model it. We are going to create the relationship and model. We are going to create the measures by doing some calculations. Then we are creating the reports. Then we are saving our reports. Then our publishing our reports into Power BI service. Now, system requirements, if you observe here, we need minimum Windows 10. Okay, Windows 7 is not supported. Windows 8 is supported. Okay, but most of the people has Windows 10, so we are good to go with that. Okay, Windows 7, anyone is available, it won't support. Windows 7, it won't support. And Microsoft Power BI Desktop requires Internet Explorer also, 10th version or more version is required. 10th or more version is required. Now, Microsoft Power BI Desktop is available for 32-bit and 64-bit, both the platforms. That's what we are seeing here. Two .exe files. This is for 64-bit. This is for 32-bit. Now, install instructions. It's nothing much you need to scaring about here. Just you need to download here. Click on next. Nothing you need to do it. Just download the version and follow the screen. You'll be able to install the product. It's very easy to install it. Let us walk through our screens here. The moment once you download it, we are going to get one MSI file. We are going to get it. Double click on that one. This is what the one window you are going to see it. If you click on the next, we are going to see license agreement window. That also you click on the next, it's going to show you where it is going to install in the path. The path location is showing here. Once you provide the path, then it will be moving on to installation and it will install for you. Once installation is completed, then you are going to see this kind of window you are going to see by saying here, completed the Microsoft Power BI Desktop Setup Wizard. You have successfully completed the Microsoft Power BI Desktop Setup Wizard. Like that message you are going to see. Once you see that message, if you click on the finish, automatically Power BI Desktop will be opens. This is what the Power BI Desktop, what it opens for you. Now you can start working on this Power BI Desktop. You can start working on it. Very easy to install it. Everyone try to install Power BI Desktop immediately so that I will able to help you if you get any problems. Okay, try to install Power BI Desktop, everyone.